Hi everyone, this is Carrie from Williams Island Spa, and I'm here today to give you a tutorial on our resistance band kit. It comes in this amazing black bag. You can fit all of these items in this, and this is not for COVID times only, right? But this is for travel. It's really lightweight, and so even after all of this is over and you want to take it on the road, you can. So what this kit includes is 5 bands, and it goes from easiest to heaviest: yellow, green, red, blue, and black. The really nice thing is it has clips on the end, so if I were to take one of the padded handles, the clips can be combined, right? The bands can be combined. So I could put it on a yellow, and then I could say, hey, you know what, that yellow is a little bit too easy. I'm going to add the green to it, and then I would end up having 2 on 1. And you can even go all the way up and attach all 5. The other items in the kit are 2 of these handles with it's padded handles. So you can use these for a variety of exercises that I will explain in a moment. It comes with a door stopper, something to put inside of the door. Again, we'll go into that. And then 2 ankle straps. So these straps come apart, and you can put it around each ankle. And again, you attach the clips to the ankle strap. So the kit is $50, door stopper, 2 ankle straps, 2 padded handles, and 5 bands. Okay, so now I'm ready for my workout. I have attached 2 bands to the padded handles, right? And again, I could have done 3 bands, I could have done 1 band. It just really depends. You'll just have to get used to it as you move along through this workout. And I prepared my ankles, so I'm all set to go. So I have 1 on each side with the rings ready to be attached when I'm ready to get to my lower body. The most important thing is putting in the door stop into a door that pushes out. Okay, so I'm going to open the door. I'm going to put it really right around chest, shoulder height, and then I'm going to put in, make sure it's secure, of course, and also make sure that no one is going to open it from the other side. If you can lock the door, that's fine. Maybe you put a sign on the outside. Whatever works for you. You can also put it on your balcony. If you have a balcony that has kind of a railing, you could do that. You can do it on a swimming pool. If you have a swimming pool outside, you can put it on the handles of the railing as you go into the pool. Whatever is totally sturdy. You don't want to be that person on YouTube that pulls their whole closet over or something off of a wall, because it is your body weight, right? So here I am. I put it through the loop, and I can take both handles, right? And I can start doing any kind of a pulling exercise if I'm facing the door, right? Or I can turn around and I can do chest, which is a pushing exercise, right? I can do here, I can do flies. There's a million variations of things that I can do. I can do squats and push out, right? I can do compound exercises, etc. And it's super secure. So after I've done my upper body workout with the door stop, I can just open that up. I can bring it all the way down to the bottom, do the same thing, unclip it, and attach it to my ankle weights that I already, my ankle straps that I already have ready to go, right? And on this one, you have to do all of them, because otherwise it's going to come through that loop. How did I find that out? Because I did it. So I've got all 4 here, right? And I can stand away, and I can do inner thigh. This is super strong. I could have something to hold on to there. I can turn around, right? And I can do outer thigh as well. I can go any direction. So that's with the door stop. And then, of course, the simplest thing to do would be to reattach it to the handles and do traditional tubing exercises, right? And there's a lot of exercises that come with the kit. There's like, I don't know, 50 exercises that you can do, but all you have to do is put it back in to the metal things. And you can do your traditional bicep, shoulders, what have you. And again, it is a padded handle, so it's quite comfortable. And I can sit here and do bicep curls or whatever I want to do. So this is the resistance band kit. It's $50. It is at your spot, Williams Island, and we can deliver. And remember, it's not just for COVID times, it's for traveling, it's for Zoom workouts, etc. Have a great day.